Welcome back to Papa Bargain. Oh, can you believe it? It's already the 1st of December. And you know what that means? It's time for an advent calendar to be opened on my first day. Oh, I decided to find this wonderful bargain down my local mini price. Oh, let's take a look. It is pretty big. 3-dimensional. 1, 2, 3. We have enough doors to see me through to the special day. I hope he comes this time. Last time I think he missed my house. Well, I never got a new grandma for Christmas. Let's take a look. As today is the 1st, I will open door number 1. Let's see. There we go. Door number 1. Wonder how this works. I don't have any tools to open this, so it's going to be a bit hard with my old fragile fingers. Maybe I should use my good hand. Would you look at that? A surprise within a surprise. A Kinder Egg. Ooh, it's rather ringy. Who knows what's inside for a surprise? Look. Can you hear that? It's full of surprises. Maybe there will be a grandma in this one. Or another Rufus. Oh. Oh, chocolate's a bit hard. Oh, this is sounding very feisty. Would you believe it? He did come 24 days early, like, but, let's put him in. Look! Maybe because he didn't come last year, he comes early this year. And he has, hey! I'm so happy. Did you see Grandma? Not yet? Take a seat. Well, that was door number 1. Let's hope for tomorrow and see what's behind door number 2. But now, it's time for some chocolate. Wonderful. Marvelous. Splendid. I would definitely love to share my chocolate with you, but it tastes so good. Well, that was day 1 of Papa Bargain's Advent. I shall see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.